Welcome to the Southampton Boat Show. Hot and sunny day here, and I'm on the Rustler stand, and I'm going to show you one of their exquisite sailing boats today. This is the 42, a beautiful, beautiful boat. So come with me and let's have a look round. Right, let's jump aboard, and I'm going to go straight up to the bow and see what we've got here. So nice wide side decks. And one of the extras on this boat is actually a carbon rig, so that's non-standard. But it is beautifully laid out. Now, Rustlers have a huge reputation for quality and seakeeping, and probably the best demonstration of that is that they are certainly one of the boats of choice for one of the toughest races in the world, the Golden Globe race. But as we go around, you can just see the quality and layout is just stunning. So let's get back into the cockpit. Just go right to the stern, where you have a couple of large lockers there. Just look down on this cockpit, because it is beautiful. Got this coaming, which goes right around the edge. And then here, as we drop down, does feel a very safe place to be in, nicely enclosed. Right, let's go down into the interior, down these fabulous wooden steps, and just start by having a slow look around. Absolutely gorgeous. Just the most amazing quality timber everywhere. So let's start here in the galley, where we have beautiful stainless gimbaled oven, obviously, plenty of storage, worktops. And here we've got our fridge, chiller, nice double stainless sink, and again loads of cupboards, storage, and behind here as well. And again, all this is solid wood and beautifully finished. Now under here there is the Yanmar 57 horse diesel engine, and let's just have a look in this aft cabin. Which again, just look at the joinery. Now, because the engine isn't impeding area here, it's much nicer size than you'd get on most modern sailing boats. And there's a nice wide double, again with just storage everywhere. You're going to have to buy some more clothes or something to fill it. So let's have a look on the other side. Now this is the day heads and main bathroom. So we've got sink, loo hidden under there, and behind the door there's a shower. Shower grates down there. Just tucked up there. We've got light top and one out the side. Now interestingly, this is where the machinery is kept, so we've got water maker, generator, anything else you want in there. This isn't accessible from the cockpit, it's watertight. You can only get into that from here. Another single berth here, and all our switch gear fabulous nav area. Got our plotter, Fusion, VHF, audio controls. And then we move forward into this fabulous seating area. This large table that obviously folds up there, but you've got seating for, oh gosh, I don't know, 8 certainly. And again, over the sides we've got all this fabulous wood, exactly the same on the other side. It's just incredible finish, just beautiful. And if we come up here into the forward cabin, got a lovely sized double, feels very cosy. And again, surrounded by all this wood, beautiful materials. Storage there, very light in here. We've got port there, we've got 3 roof hatches and another side one there. And again behind this door, not an inch of space is wasted, but just beautiful. This boat is 3 months old. Now this boat is the twin cabin version. You can have another version which has 2 heads, but just stunning. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's just a stunning boat. It really is. The quality is outstanding and hits you at every turn. Price-wise, the boat is 680,000 plus VAT. It is pretty customizable. Hand-built boats, you can certainly have a huge input into, you know, what actually is produced in the end. So, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please do subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.